ANSYS Granta MI is the solution related to all these problems related to material management. It is the leading system for materials information management in engineering enterprises. So this module is again subdivided into three sub-modules. Granta Materials Data for Simulation. It is an inbuilt module in ANSYS Workbench. Granta Selector. It is a stand-alone module. It has a database of 10,000 materials and contains 100 properties data based upon different engineering processes. And the third one is simply Granta MI. It is a storage for different corporate materials database. Now let us take a look at the different features of Granta MI. So Granta MI allows us to make the comparison and property selection of different materials very easy. It can be easily integrated with CAD, CAE and PLM. It can be integrated with the design tools like Creo, CATIA and NX. Also, we can generate materials data related to plastic materials and alloys easily. Again, whatever the data is being stored in the Granta MI database, it is updated on a regular basis. Suppose a company make changes to the properties of any specific material, then that gets automatically updated in the Granta MI database. Again, selection of material based upon the specific criterias, like for example, tensile strength is easy. It supports CAD to CAE interoperability, meaning, for example, if I have assigned a material to a part in CATIA and whenever I am exporting it to ANSYS, then that material data gets lost. But by the use of this module, that material is carried forward as it is from CATIA or any CAD tool to the ANSYS workbench. And material specifications from test data like tensile strength, cyclic deformation, fatigue, creep can be easily stored here. Various types of reports can be stored in here also. So if you want to have an overview of Granta MI, you can visit the website ansys.com products materials. Also, if you want to read the different case studies related to Granta MI, where different industries have shared their experience of using Granta MI, you can visit to this link. Now, let us take a small overview of how the Granta MI is helping the engineers in solving the various problems related to material management. So this is a video which I have taken from ansys.com.
Granta MI is the leading system for materials information management in engineering enterprises. Capture all of the company's material intelligence in one place. Manage it so that it is accurate, secure, and traceable. Share it when and where it is needed. Apply it in materials engineering and product development. Then reuse the resulting analysis and experience. Granta MI is built on a database into which users load proprietary information on materials from across their enterprise. The same system stores a comprehensive library of reference datasets on metals, plastics, composites, and more. Materials data is complex. How should a database be set up to manage the multidimensional models that describe metal properties? Or deal with multiple components in a composite, their interrelationships, and the impact of processing? Granta MI applies Granta's unrivaled experience of dealing with these engineering realities. Our ready-to-go templates provide database structures and tools for key materials types and applications. These meet requirements including managing the materials data lifecycle and support for related workflows, access control so that users see only data for which they are authorized, and version control of changing data. Once the data is in the system, it's easy to search, browse, and apply it. Here, a user is searching for data on an aerospace alloy and browsing property data, including composition, numerical properties, and graphs of temperature-dependent behavior. They can follow links to related records that detail the tests behind the data. For many customers, this digital thread is a major advantage of Granta MI. Now, a materials engineer is using tools to clean up and analyze test data, creating a model for the mechanical properties of the material. The model can be captured for use in design. Users report analysis times reducing from hours to minutes, and designers get up-to-date, accurate data, saving time downstream. The ultimate purpose is to ensure that materials information is useful in decision-making. Here, a user is checking restricted substance compliance risk for materials. This helps to avoid specification of materials that might be impacted by regulation. In this example, we see the Granta MI Materials Gateway, which runs within CAD, CAE, or PLM software. The user can navigate to their corporate materials database, find a material, assign it to a part, and then run calculations. They are guaranteed reliable data and enterprise-wide consistency. Granta MI is a unique combination. Manage in-house materials information, access authoritative references, support design and simulation, all fully integrated with business processes and corporate engineering software infrastructure. Granta MI makes material intelligence work for you.
So this completes the session for material management using ANSYS Workbench.